Do we still need to climb high voltage towers just to inspect power lines? Is that still the norm in 2025? But what if there was a safer, faster, and smarter way? Introducing inspection drones. With XBoom's drone service, these organizations can reduce their reliance on traditional inspection methods and minimize the risk of safety incidents and unplanned outages. This is the future of infrastructure monitoring. These flying marvels come equipped with Ultra HD cameras, thermal sensors, and LiDAR, detecting faults invisible to the human eye, from worn out wires to overheating transformers. Major problems such as saggy wires, tilted poles, broken discs, and wires that are touching trees can hence be fixed through this. They even spot overgrown trees threatening your power supplies. With just a few taps, drones can scan miles of electric lines, even in hard to reach areas. Got storm damage? Drones are first on the scene, providing instant aerial assessments so that repair teams know exactly where to go. And with the help of AI, these drones don't just fly, they think, analyze, and report in real time. It's the new standard. Power up your inspections with drone technology because the grid deserves a bird's eye view. This is the new standard. This is the time to power up your inspections with drone technology. Check out our website in the link given below in the description box for more information. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to XBoom Utilities.